this is another beautiful good news for you again. How are you all doing? Great to you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into studying in the United Kingdom, where I'm based. Oh yes, and you can study on fully funded scholarship. It's called fully funded Chevening Scholarship. The application is ongoing, so I decided to bring your way. As you may know or not knowing, the fully funded Chevening Scholarship empowers exceptional emerging leaders from around the world to pursue a one-year master's degree in the United Kingdom. And this prestigious scholarship is fully funded. Of course, it covers all your flight tickets, gives you free accommodation, course fee is covered on days, and also gives you living stipends throughout your studies in the United Kingdom. And about the scholarship itself, it covers full tuition fees. Obviously, no application fee. You don't need to apply with a fee for you to gain this scholarship. It is free of charge. It's applicable to all countries of the world, and on a level of study, it is for masters. So I'm going to take you through the website of the application portal and how to search for your home country and then apply via there. So let's dive into the application page, website, and the eligibility. First of all, the eligibility: you must commit to returning to your home country of citizenship for a minimum of 2 years after your award has ended. So if you are going for this scholarship, I always tell you the truth. You must make sure that you have to return to your home country if you are going for Chevening Scholarship. You don't have to stay back because you came as a scholar. You have to return and take that knowledge back to your home country and utilize it at least for 2 years. And the second eligibility criteria is that you must be a citizen of a Chevening country or territory. So we would know that as we are going to touch base at the application page to see if your country is listed there. Then the third eligibility criteria is for you to have completed all components of an undergraduate degree that qualify you for entry into a postgraduate program at a UK university by the time you submit your application. And this is typically equivalent to an upper class, that's a 2-1 honors degree in the UK, but this may vary depending on your course or the university choice. So you must also possess at least 2 years of working hours, like 2,800 hours of work experience. What this means is that you must at least have experience of work before you apply for the scholarship. You must also apply to 3 different eligible UK university courses and receive an unconditional offer from at least one of these choices by the deadline listed on this application, which I'm going to tell you the deadline along the video. So you've got to watch to the end to know the deadline and also to see how to apply for from your country specific. In terms of not being eligible, if you are holding a British or dual citizenship, you are not eligible for the scholarship. If you also hold a refugee status, you are not eligible. If you are an employee or former employee or relative of an employee of His Majesty's government, you are not eligible. If you are an employee, former employee or relative of employee of a Chevening partner organization, you are not eligible. So if you have previously studied in the UK with funding from a UK government scholarship, you are not eligible. So hopefully you do not have the above so that you can dive into this beautiful scholarship. So let's now go to the university or the application page to show you how to apply using your country of origin specifically. So let me know where you're watching this video from, and please do to like, comment, and share this video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, as that will be so encouraging for me to keep on dishing beautiful content of this kind your way. Okay, let's go to the website now. See you at the website. Let's go. This is the official website of Chevening when applicants are conditionally selected for an award. Here is an overview. So on 6 August, the application was opened. Since 6 August, you can see it here, and the deadline is 5th November. Applications for Chevening scholarships will close on 5th November. So by this is September that this video is out. So you have October, November to submit the application. And do make sure that also that you have applied to 3 universities in the UK in order to get your unconditional offer. So let's go to how to apply. So who can apply? And you come here, you can apply, you scroll down, you check your eligibility here that we've already talked about. So you select your country here. This is how you specifically apply. Let's say, for instance, let's check Ghana. Then I want to go to looking for scholarship, not fellowship. Remember, there are 2 different things. Scholarship is different from fellowship. You click scholarship, you click search. That's how to apply. This is a page for Ghanaian potential international students to apply. So, study in the UK on a fully funded Chevening scholarship open for application until 5th November. Great. So, application is open. If you are Ghanaian, so you read up all this, you check the documents here, check the application timeline, and then the guidelines are here. Once you read that on your own finished, you click apply today. Once you click apply today, you choose the country. That's your country. Let's say Ghana again. I don't want to apply, but I'm just giving you sample because your country is Ghana. And then choose the award you are applying for. Chevening scholarship, you click that. You continue. You fill in all your details here and then keep going as at that. So good luck with your application. Let me know how this video has helped you. Please do not forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as that will help us in bringing beautiful content of this kind for you. Do not forget that I'm rooting for you, and do not stop rooting for yourself. See you at the top, because that's where I belong. The greater you.